So I have to show you this. This is the first day that we got our puppy. I thought this would be a beautiful addition to the videos that I'm currently doing.
The new puppy's arrived. We had a great night last night, a couple of accidents, but you know, it's expected for him to do that. But I'm whispering because he's out. He's had a few jumping issues, but apart from that, he's been fine. There's been a bit of like chewing and biting, but it's expected. I've got toys for him, so I've kind of been putting those in the way. You know what I mean? Just like handing him those, and hopefully his behaviour kind of changes to those. But yeah, he's pretty damn cute.
Oh, he's so cute. As a little coater. I can't make the screen any bigger.